3 men and a motorcycle. I would say we're doing a complex shakedown. Yeah, good for it.
On a live runway.
That was a lovely piece of cheese. Now then, the sprint bike. Millyard has got it going. Now he's put some petrol in it, rather than methanol. So probably time to give it a proper whiz. We're back at Western Airfield in Buckinghamshire, and we've dragged Skid from his shed in Cambridge for his first ever ride on a sprint bike. Right then, 3 men and a motorcycle. Here it is, right? We bought it from Tony. Millyard's got it going. And, OK, we've missed the season this year.
Just a little bit.
Next year, we hope to compete it. So, what we should do is a shakedown, eh, Skid?
Definitely.
Skidler has never, ever, ever run something like this before or ridden it. Are you excited?
Yes, and a bit nervous, if I'm being honest.
I don't blame you.
I'm not used to being lying down like that while I'm riding.
Yeah.
It's called seat of the pants riding experience.
It's a seat of your pants riding experience. So, what we're going to do is just give it a run for a laugh. I mean, I would say we're doing a complex shakedown. Alan's going to be No, we're not. No. It's just 3 old men having a giggle, isn't it? Right, leathers on, let's do it. I'm in.
Hang on. You all right there, mate?
Yeah, so.
Oh, look, you're struggling, Al.
I've left my jumper on, that's why.
If we're going to campaign this thing, I'm going to have to get a set of them and have the same problem. I want a loose fit, mate.
You might fit Henry's ones.
Now, I think if it's your first time,
Yes.
you probably need someone to try her out first.
I'd be quite happy with that. And do you know what? For a change, I hate to admit it, but you are, I will admit, better at this than me.
So to be fair to Skid, I'll give this little beauty a shakedown before he has a go.
Oh, straight away.
Right.
That's fast, isn't it?
Yeah?
That's fast.
Sounds lovely.
He looks right on it. He looks at home on it, doesn't he, really?
Yeah. We'll see if he can change gear.
And while Skid's looking worried, I'm loving it.
It looks lovely, doesn't it?
Sounds really, really good.
Alan's right. She goes like the clappers. But time now for a rather nervous guy to mount the rather uncomfortable seat. OK, here we go, Skid. All right, mate. Bum on there. Oh, my God. Yeah.
He's off.
He's off. I don't know how far off is he. Can he get into second? Yeah, I think he can.
He's made the corner anyway. That's the first sign.
That's got to be a good thing. That's okay. Oh, he's doing all
Yeah, he's in
right.
third.
He's short shifting.
He is. Quite brave, actually, isn't he?
He is quite brave. It takes a lot to actually get on a bike like that and go for it.
On a live runway.
Do you know what I mean? He
He's got
seems
quite
to
an
be.
upright riding position for Skid.
Yeah, no, he's all right.
Nice big turning circle, look.
Yeah, nice big turning circle, easy as you like. Happy days. Oh, I forgot to tell you there was no rear brake. And Skid's verdict?
My God.
Now, come on then, just slowly tell us.
It's fantastic. The engine's beautiful. This is so alien to me, this riding position. It's really odd. This seat, you're right, is uncomfortable. My God. And I felt like I'll need to be 2 foot longer. But mate, I can see why you get addicted to this.
Hey, look, so we've had a giggle, right? But at the same time, we've given it a little bit of a shakedown. Hey, roll on next season. So that's the sprint bike put through its paces.